Happy Tulip Tuesday. This is the day we share timely tips for the tulip tribe. Today, the floral netting armature. It's the on-trend base for so many bouquets. And the question is always, how do you make it and how big and what size? For most of my bouquets, I start with 12-inch floral netting and cut it down so that it's about 6 inches by 9 inches. Then I can take it and just roll it around on itself, going very long if I want it to be cascading, or going the opposite direction if I want it to be a little more rounded. Then just weaving the ends together, twisting it, rolling, then tuck the ends inward so that all the sharp points are pointing in, and then go back and continue twisting to make sure it's secure until you have it the perfect size that you want to create your bouquet.